up, everybody? This is Johnface Moto coming at you today with a little touchless motorcycle wash system I use. If you have a airless paint sprayer, Graco, Titan, there's a few other models out there on the market. You can use it as a not a super high pressure wash system for your bike or your car or anything for that matter. I know myself, I'm a contractor and I use my not a painter all the time. We'll say I'm a general contractor, so we do paint work and I'll use my spray maybe once, twice a year, something like that. So this way, if I use it for other than painting, I can keep it operational and it's not just sitting in storage. For this operation, you basically just need 2 buckets. One bucket of your wash, your favorite car wash or whatever. I use Dawn dish detergent. You want the water to be hot. I heat up on the stove and I fill it up with hot water out of the tap, so it's not, so it's as hot as it can get. And then you just got your clean wash, your rinse water. So basically, all you got to do, you follow your directions just like you're painting. You throw it in, prime it up. Then you just want to send the paint to your sprayer, so you prime the gun as well. Just keep your intake hoses in the bucket. And then now you got a nice, I like to just spritz it on a low pressure just to get it wet and let the soap work in. And once again, this is steaming hot water. This will cut through any oil and grease. So after I'll hit it down, I'll hit everything, spray everything down in the low pressure setting. Just crank it up to the high pressure. Let it sit for a couple minutes. And then come back and hit everything again with the higher pressure soapy water solution again. I hit everything with the high pressure soap and hot water solution a second, third time, letting it sit. Now I'm going to rinse. To rinse, basically you just gotta shut your machine down, take out your intake hose, switch it out for the fresh water, turn the machine on, and you're gonna let it run until the water runs clear. Now you can, I'm gonna run high pressure. Now we're gonna start washing the bike off from the top down. everything dry with the leaf blower. Get all the moisture off as much as you can, throughout, especially in the engine, all the little hard to reach places. And then I give everything a spritz with the quick and easy wax and dry by Turtle Wax. I don't know, microfiber. Just go over everything lightly, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna hit this up real quick, and then I'll get back to you with the finished product. This is the final outcome after a quick hit with the old Turtle Wax. Easy polish. Looks pretty good. The system uses very little water, as opposed to just doing it with a hose, and I feel like it's a little bit safer. You're not using a large power washer forcing water into where it shouldn't be. So it's good for detailing engine bays on cars, stuff like that. More sensitive areas you don't want a super high pressure system with a ton of water getting into. This way you minimize your risk of any electrical issues. If you find this video informative, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And that's it. Take care. See you on the next one.